Well, hello guys, and today's episode is going to be very interesting. As I promised in the last one, I'm going to be teaching you how to add custom items without mods into Spigot, Paper, and Bukkit using resource packs. We're going to be working with CustomModelData. And I'm going to be showing you how to make a command like this one to give you an existing model that uses a CustomModelData. For example, we have a banana right here that simply uses a different texture, and you can of course inherit the features from sweet berries. That means that you can actually eat these bananas, or you can even create a custom item command. If you press it, you are gonna get a custom banana. So I'm gonna show you both ways. So to start off, let me just introduce you the basic structure of a resource pack. I'm going to show you how to create a very basic resource pack, how to put a custom item model there with a custom texture, and then how to show it in the game. So every resource pack need to have the assets folder, that is which contains our custom textures and pretty much the customized behavior in Minecraft, as well as the pack.mc meta. Now, I've seen some insane, I don't want to say people because I don't want to backstab anybody, but I've seen some insane videos where people actually open this in like Notepad. And the problem with using Notepad is that these files are in a JSON format. So I assume that you are a little bit familiar with this. Basically, it is extremely sensitive to any mistake. If I were to mistake one thing inside and to forget this comma, the entire resource pack gets corrupted and will not load. I do not recommend use Notepad. Please use any special software that can handle JSON files. I personally would go with Notepad++, which is a software, that's going to help you open these files. Although it doesn't have validation, if you truly want to push it to the next level, you can just literally open this entire folder inside your IntelliJ. IntelliJ is free. So inside this folder, as I explained, there's supposed to be a pack.mc meta. To create a pack, all you're going to do is open this file with curly brackets, then type in pack right here and open this pack with another set of curly brackets, then type in pack format. If you Google pack format resource pack, literally the first link on Wikipedia is going to help you navigate what the latest version is for what Minecraft version, as well as changelogs right here, so it helps you understand how it evolved. Description doesn't really matter. I just said adds an edible banana to Minecraft. Holy cow. The next file is the pack.png. This one is the icon. You don't need to have that, but if you do, make sure that is a PNG file, and mine is 600 times 600. So inside the resources packs screen, it shows very, very smoothly like this one. And then make the assets folder. Inside, you're gonna have to make Minecraft folder. Inside, you're gonna make atlases folder, and then finally blocks folder. I've tested this without the atlases, and what I ended up with is just this weird missing texture file. So you're gonna need to use them. I'm not an expert on atlases. I know that they've been added around Minecraft 1.19. However, for the purposes of just making simple custom textures, neither you have to be an expert. Just make a file like this, or you can even download this entire demo data pack. If you go in the description of this video, it says blog post and resources. Open my blog post and I upload the source there on my blog post website. So this is the blocks.json file. Now, one thing that I suggest you change is the source and the prefix. The MinePack should be the name of your own resource pack. Now, keep this in mind. This needs to be lowercase and only English letters, okay? Don't put anything special here. It's not gonna work. And this needs to be the same name as the folder MinePack, or let's say that your resource pack is called, say, weapons, right? So then you're gonna put weapons here, and then create models, create the folder models, inside of which make the weapons folder. Do the same for the textures folder, inside of which you're gonna have to create your own, say, weapons folder. Great, so talking about models, in this video, I'll show you how to make it so when you get sweet berries containing this special custom model data set on 1, instead of Minecraft rendering the vanilla item, it will actually render the custom texture on top of these sweet berries. So it's a little bit of a hack. It's not really creating custom items from scratch, because this would require you to create, client modes. I do have a course on how to make client modes for Forge. If you want to learn more, click the link and learn more about the course in this video description. If you are already enrolled in my course Forge Mastery, you may be looking at this file and say, well, it's very familiar with what I'm teaching there, because it actually is, except the overrides right here. So typically every single Minecraft texture has a JSON file that points out to a texture file, right? And I just, I don't want to say stole, I copied this from vanilla. If you Google Minecraft resource pack assets, you can open up the first link right here, and then you can download, say for the latest version, this little zip file. Please be noticed that it's quite a big file, and inside here you basically should have the same folder structure. So assets, Minecraft, and then models, and then item, and then we should have, let me just look for this. So for some strange reason, I can't find sweet berries, but I found glow berries. And as you can see, the structure looks exactly the same. So I suggest you pick one file that you want to inherit the custom items behavior from. So if you want your custom items to be edible, just open up any food and just copy it. You're also gonna need to copy the same food file. So for me, it's sweet berries. And then this was the original file. And here, what I did, I simply appended this override section to the JSON file. So this means that there is a predicate, which simply means if. So if this item has CustomModelData equals to 1, then instead of using the vanilla texture, we're going to be using MinePack texture called banana. And this one is found inside textures, inside MinePack, and there we go, inside banana. This texture needs to be a PNG file, 16 times 16 or 32 times 32 or 64. You get it. It needs to be a multiply, and it needs to have the same width as height. Great. So that is the sweet berries file. Now again, make sure that the sweet berries need to have the same name as an already existing item in Minecraft, because otherwise it will not work. And then inside the MinePack, what we need to do is we need to create the JSON file for the custom item. So this one is called banana. And sorry, when I was saying that the model actually uses texture, I actually meant that MinePack/banana is actually going to open up the MinePack banana JSON file. And this JSON file, as you can see, it literally is also a copy of this, right? So it's quite easy to copy once you start to understand the structure. This textures layer 0 is gonna look for textures MinePack here, and then banana PNG file. Although you don't really write PNG, Minecraft will figure this out. So it's a bit complicated. Again, sweet berries needs to equal to vanilla name. It opens then the custom banana, and then the custom banana JSON model references actually the texture that will render this in the game. So this is it. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files. I know it's quite lengthy. You can get the full source of this, as I said, in the video description. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to install this on the server because I made a video about it last time, but I'll show you how to compile it. So all you have to do, open up the folder. You can right click this, go to open up in Explorer. If you are opening this in IntelliJ, select assets, pack, MC meta and pack, right click, send to, and then compressed zip folder. Or if you are on a Mac, just select compress, and then simply give it a nice name, MinePack, and then simply watch the last video on how to install it. Good. Now we are in the game. How can I actually test this? First of all, I'll show you a no-code solution. So if you Google GIF command generator, there should be multiple options. I just decided to go with GamerGeek website. This link will help you generate, this website will help you generate the custom file. First of all, we need to place the sweet berries inside the input field right here, and then the name. We have to actually customize the name. If you don't, it's going to display sweet berries on top of the banana texture, which is going to look a little bit weird. So change the name to whatever the custom name is, and then go to extras. Scroll down here, CustomModelData, set it to 1 or set it to whatever is here. For me, it's just 1. And then this GIF command is whatever you need to copy. And if you paste it in the game, there we go. If you've done everything properly, there we go. You should have a banana, and you should even be able to eat it. There we go. And it, of course, restores the same amount of health as sweet berries. Now, how to actually programmatically give yourself the custom item in Bukkit. First of all, please check out my free video on custom items because it requires, a lot of explanation. I don't want this video to be 2 hours long. Also, if you are unfamiliar with whatever you're seeing on a screen when it comes to on command, check out the video on Minecraft commands. And if you've never made a Minecraft plugin before, simply follow the first 2 tutorial videos in this very Minecraft plugin development series. It's going to help you. And I also, of course, provide the full source code to this entire code in the description of this video. Great. So we have had created custom item command in the custom item video. Now, when it comes to item meta, in Bukkit, there is a way to set the model, custom model data. And here I simply have to set it to 1, again, the same number. And then let's say that I just want to delete the custom lore. And then I want to set the custom display name to banana, just like this one. And I guess that this code, well, I guess we can delete everything else. So this is pretty much the code that you need. You need to create the item stack, and this one needs to be sweet berries. Then get its item meta, set the display name to whatever you seem appropriate, set custom model data, set the item meta back to the item stack. Don't forget that, because in Bukkit you have to do this, and then simply add the custom item to the player's inventory. Let's go ahead, let's test it out. All right, back in the game again. Let me just test it. This command is invoked if I type in /custom item, press enter. There we go. We have our beautiful banana given right here. And again, it should work as intended, meaning it is edible. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to learn more and even more deeply about Minecraft plugin development, including a full mini games training, check out Project Orion. It is a full 7-week hybrid training. The biggest difference between Project Orion and all the other courses is that, first of all, it's fully specialized for Java and Minecraft. That means Bukkit, Spigot, Paper, and even Bungee Cord API. And also it is hybrid. As I said, that means I sit down with you twice a week on something called live Q&A call, and during the live call you can actually unmute yourself, share your screen, and I'll review your code or even your resource packs and mods live, which means that you're gonna learn so much faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below what you've created, maybe post to your own creations as a little homework, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.